Chaney's Dairy Barn in, I guess this is still considered Bowling Green, Kentucky. It was a 30-minute drive from the museum. It's well worth it. I was first here in 2011. None of this was here. I hope it tastes the same. The ice cream was amazing, just like I remembered. We actually ate lunch here too. Now they serve burgers, chicken, things like that. How do you like it?
It's good.
It was just good?
I'm not an ice cream eater.
It was delicious. Don't let her fool you. All right, we have a 4.5-hour drive through the mountains and the beautiful trees to Sevierville, Tennessee, in our cabin in the woods. I'll show you along the way, and I'll show you when we get there. We are on our way to the cabin in Sevierville. I think we're in Kentucky right now. Somewhere, I don't know what town. We went through Somerset, Kentucky. Now we're in the mountains, going up, going down, ears closing up. What else? Don't know. As of right now, we should be getting to the cabin at 6:25. Which means it'll be dark, and we might encounter some bears. I don't know, but this is beautiful. I'll show you. We got here after dark the other night, and we weren't able to show you the road to our cabin, but very sketchy. Here it is. They are repaving a section, so the machinery was not there when we left this morning, or when we got here. So that was a little bit more treacherous than usual, but it's just a real skinny road and a lot of switchbacks. But it gets us here, and we don't even bottom out, so we're good.